You're always looking for ways to save money, right? You've probably heard of Fave, the app that helps you get discounts at your favorite restaurants and shops. But have you ever wondered which card is the absolute best to use with Fave? Let's face it, with countless cards out there, it's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. But don't worry, I've done the dirty work for you. I've dug deep, crunched the numbers, and tested different cards to find out which one will give you the biggest bang for your buck when using Fave. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why this even matters. Using the right card can mean the difference between saving a few bucks and raking in serious rewards. We're talking cashback, miles, points, all the good stuff. So, what makes a card the perfect match for Fave? It's not just about low fees or high spending limits. We're looking for cards that offer specific perks when you use them with Fave. Think cashback on dining, bonus points for online spending, or even exclusive Fave deals. We'll break down the different types of cards, from credit cards to debit cards, and even prepaid options. We'll compare reward structures, fees, and other important factors to help you make an informed decision. But wait, there's more. We'll also explore hidden gems, cards that you might not have considered but could be a total game changer for your Fave spending. And we'll give you tips on how to maximize your rewards, from strategic spending to taking advantage of promotions. By the end of this video, you'll be a Fave and card pairing expert. You'll know exactly which card to whip out to score the best deals and rewards. So, get ready to level up your Fave game. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.